So I'm in my wife's 2018 Mazda CX-5, and we need to do the rear brakes. So we need to put the electronic parking brake into maintenance mode or service mode. And to do that, you want to make sure that the parking brake is disengaged. So looks like it's engaged now. I'm going to just make sure that it's off. So now I'm going to turn the car off. And now I'm going to turn the car on without starting the engine. To do that, I'm going to leave my foot off the brake pedal and press the start button twice. All right, the parking brake light is off, which means it is off. I'm now going to put it into maintenance mode. To do that, I'm going to hold down the accelerator all the way, press down on the parking brake button, and then press the start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You heard the little bit of noise in the back, and the maintenance mode light is on. It's a P with an exclamation mark. So then turn the car off, do what we need to do with the brakes, and now we can take it out of maintenance mode. So again, turn the car on without starting it. The service mode indicator is still on. And now we're going to do something that is sort of like the opposite of what we just did. Hold down on the accelerator, pull up and hold on the parking brake button, and then press the start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You hear it do its thing again. Service mode indicator is off. So now we're out of service mode. So that's how you put it in and out of service mode. And then you can reapply the parking brake. And that's it.